So welcome student, welcome to my YouTube channel class 12, welcome. Okay, now today's topic is differential equation. Differential equation means, suppose this is a equation. Equation means d2y dx square is equal to sin 3x plus cos 3y. This is a differential equation. Equation in under differential calculus. The equation under differential calculus is called the differential equation. This is first one. And second one, this is y double dash. Y double dash means double derivative plus 5 into x into y dash minus 6y is equal to log x. This is another differential equation. And third one is y equal to x into dy dx plus a into root over 1 plus dy dx whole square and root. Okay. Now, my topic is order and degree. What is order? Order means here d2y dx square is equal to sin 3x plus cos 3x. Here this is 2. Okay, 2 means here order is 2. Highest part is equal to 2. That's why this order is equal to 2. So what is degree? Degree means or d2y dx square power is 1. That's why the degree is equal to 1. Degree is equal to 1. Highest order power is called a degree. Okay. So now this is order 2 and the degree is equal to 1 means the highest order power is called a degree. Here what is order? Order equal to highest power is double dash means d2y d. This is equal to d2y dx square plus a 5x dy dx equal minus 6y. This is equal to log x. Here the order is 2. Here the second question order is 2. Order is equal to 2. And what is degree? Degree is equal to this is highest order 2. The power 1. What is degree? Degree is equal to 1. Okay. The highest power or highest order power is called a degree. Degree is equal to 1. And third one is equal to, you may write in this way. This is equal to a into root over of 1 plus dy dx a whole square. Now this is, or you may write in this way, y minus x dy dx a whole square equal to a into root over of 1 plus dy dx a square and whole square, means squaring both sides. Now this is equal to y minus x dy dx a whole square. This is equal to a square 1 plus dy dx a whole square. Root is absorbed because square is present. That's why. Now what is the order and degree? Order equal to here order is 1. That's why order is equal to 1. And what is degree? Degree equal to, here highest power is 2. That's why degree is equal to 2. Okay, this is a minus b whole square. Then dy dx whole square. The order is 1 and degree is 2. Okay, that's for differential equation. What is the way to form differential equation? Suppose this is a linear equation. Y equal to cos x plus c. And what is differential equation? Differential equation means at first you derivative both sides. Differentiate both sides. Okay. So the differentiation of y with respect to x. Dy dx. This is equal to differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and this is equal to 0. So what is differential equation? Differential equation is equal to dy dx plus sin x is equal to 0. This is my differential equation. Okay. Now example number 2. Form differential equation. The same process, differentiation with respect to x in both sides. Okay, the differentiation of y equal to dy dx, differentiation of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x itself, and y is constant, that's why this is equal to 0. So what is the differential equation? Dy dx is equal to e to the power x, this is the required differential equation. If having one constant, all of you please derivative 1 times, having 2 constant, all of you derivative 2 times, if 3 then you derivative 3 times. Okay, how many constant you derivative on that time? Means if 1 then you derivative 1, and you constant 2 you make derivative 2, and you 3 and you make derivative 3. Now example number 3. Form differential equation having 2 constant a and b. I already told you derivative 2 times. Now first derivative differentiate with respect to x in both sides. Okay, this is equal to dy dx equal to a sin x with negative sign plus b cos x. Okay, now again derivative with respect to x so the d2y dx square equal to minus a cos x minus b sin x, you take common a cos x plus b sin x. This is, what is the value of a cos x plus b sin x? This is equal to y, or you may write in this way d2y dx square plus y equal to 0. This is a differential equation. Having 2 constant, that's why derivative is 2. Okay, now my required answer is d2y dx square plus y equal to 0. Okay. Y is equal to e to the power m into sin inverse x is a solution of differential equation this. Now what is the way to solve? At first you derivative this portion. Okay, first derivative with respect to x. So this is equal to dy dx e to the power m of sin inverse x. You know the e to the power x derivative is e to the power x itself, and the derivative of m into sin inverse x is equal to m is already present here, and the differentiation of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. This is first derivative. Now you take second derivative. Now second derivative, again derivative with respect to x. This is equal to y2, and this is 2 y and this, and derivative of y is y1, and this part is constant, and y is constant. Derivative of this portion is m into minus half into 1 minus x square to the power half minus 1 minus 3 by 2 into minus 2x. Okay, now this is equal to y1 m into root over of 1 minus x square plus, and minus plus 2 and 2 cancel, y into m into divided by root over of 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square, because 3 by 2, that's why. Okay, now put in LHS. What is my LHS? Now put here, this is equal to 1 minus x square, and put here y2. y2 is equal to y1 into m into root over of 1 minus x square plus y into m into root over of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square, bracket close, minus x into y1 root over of 1 minus x square minus m square into y. Okay, so now this is equal to LHS. And now calculate this is equal to 1 minus x square is cancelled, y1 into m plus this is equal to put here and this and okay, and now y into m root over of 1 minus x square minus m square y and minus x into y into m into root over of 1 minus x square. Okay, now what is the value of y1? What is the value of y1? y1 equal to and this is x and this part is totally cancelled, and you know this is equal to m into y, and already m present, minus m square y, this is equal to m square y minus m square y equal to 0. This is RHS proved. Okay student, thank you very much. That's all for today. If you like my video, please press the like button and press bell icon for the further notification and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. That's all.